In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeploy a project on Netlify through GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point Netlify to your GitHub repository, review the right settings, and kick off a fresh build with confidence. Start by signing into your Netlify account and heading to your dashboard. From there, open the project section in the left sidebar. This view shows your workspaces and sites, and it's also where you'll begin a new deploy flow when you want to redeploy from a Git repository. Select Add New Project. You'll see several ways to create or redeploy a site. Netlify offers an AI agent to help scaffold projects, and there's also a direct file upload option. But for a Git-based redeploy, we'll choose the Git path so Netlify can automatically build and redeploy whenever you push changes. Pick Import an existing Git repository. Next, choose GitHub as the provider. If it's your first time connecting, Netlify may prompt you to authorize access to your GitHub account and select which repositories it can read. Grant only the access you need for the project you're redeploying. You'll now see a list of repositories available to you. Use the search bar if the list is long, then click the repository you want to redeploy. If you work in multiple workspaces, select the correct team or account to own this site so billing, environment variables, and permissions line up with your organization. Give the project a clear site name if you like, or let Netlify generate one for you. You can change it later. Now review the build settings. Confirm the correct base directory if your site lives in a subfolder. Set the build command that produces your production assets, such as a framework's build script, and verify the published directory where the final site files are output, like build, dist, or public, depending on your stack. If your project doesn't require a build step, you can leave the build command empty and point straight to the folder that contains your static files. You can also add environment variables later in site settings if your build needs them. When everything looks right, select Deploy. Netlify will provision the site, clone the repository, and start a build. You can watch logs in real time to verify dependencies install correctly, the build command completes, and the published directory is detected. When the deploy finishes, you'll get a live preview URL immediately. From this point on, every push to your main branch will automatically trigger a redeploy, and branches will create deploy previews, making it easy to test changes before merging.